So when it comes to following the passion, first you have to know what your passion is. So how do you find what your passion is? I simply when it comes to me, I found my passion when I went back to my childhood, like teaching. And even I thought that teaching in schools is my passion. But after that, I found out that those are not my subjects. Again, it came because of following my passion. And one more thing, I am very passionate about content writing that I got to know because I'm an introvert. And everybody will be, and we are social animals. Because of that, we definitely want to share what we know. So if I'm an introvert, this channel is closed. Because of that, everything I know that comes through my words. That's how I found that writing is my passion. And when it comes to writing, there is something one more thing that you need to find out, like on what you can write. Again, when you go to your childhood and you can ask your friends like what you are good at, and based on that you will be finding what your passion is, like what you can focus on, and then finding about the market thing, like if you can add value to the market, if market needs what you have to offer, that is something. So for example, let's say you are even clear with your passion, like what your passion is, and even everything is ready. Then what is that one thing that is required when it comes to following, turning that into the reality? Guys, am I clear? I had to turn my video off because there is no light here. Sorry for the inconvenience. Please bear with us. So where are we? I will I will share a mind map. That will be very better. Okay, fine. So even when I connect with my story, like the difficulties that I have faced because of the taking uncalculated risk. One thing I got to know is because of the financial problems, people tend to give up their passions, and they simply go with job, maybe something that they don't like. So even when it comes to that, right now we have different options when it comes to like something. One second, I will come to your queries. So find it like after figuring the passion out, then find a skill that you have to focus on when it comes to building that skill, and start working on the side hustle. It may be like freelancing, or it may be something. Start working on it, then you will be able to create a cash flow. Then you need like when it comes to this financial thing, you need to make a plan, like what are going to be your expenses, minimum expenses when it comes to leading your life. Then you will be knowing how much money you need. And when it comes to being on your own, the journey is not so smooth. There will be many ups and there will be many downs, and there may be days when you can't even generate any money. So you should be very prepared for the next 1,000 days, because starting something on your own and going with it is not a not something which gives the results in the very short span of time. You can understand whether your business works or not when you travel in that for 1,000 days. So at least you should be having enough savings which can help you to survive for the next 2 years, even if you don't generate any money. So further, you need to make a plan, and you need to you need to even do many sacrifices, and you need to focus only on your needs by putting your wants aside. And when you do that, even if you fail after 3 years, definitely, as you are going to make your side as well as the full time, so you will be making at least some money. So in 2 years, in the worst case, even you can generate money with which you can survive in the next third year. Even if it fails, by showing that as your experience, you can join in a startup, and you can learn, you can reanalyze what are the mistakes. Then when it is the time, you can again take the leap. So and one more thing, like in my journey, like when it comes to success of any business, the only things that matters are starting the right business at the right time in the right place. So when it comes to me, it happened, but there is one thing that was missing, which is having a personal brand. Because I started with, yes, obviously implementation also, and even if you're implementing, there is something that you should have, that you should focus on. If you have that, the things are going to be easy for you, which is nothing but having a personal brand. Personal brand is nothing but giving the world the clarity about who you are. When you do that, when you consistently focus on building your personal brand, things will become easy for you. And when it comes to me, I started my journey, like my career started as a network marketer, even though I'm an engineer. And when it comes to that, I did different things, but I haven't focused on this one thing called personal branding. Because of that, the journey was so hard. True, marketing also plays a very vital role. And basically, whatever you do, whichever one you pick, there will definitely be people in the market who are doing what you are doing. But only when the other person picks you, you can generate money or anything. So that reason becomes your personal branding. So focusing on that is very important. So now I will come to your questions, and also even I started my website. So one agenda is for my personal branding. Second one is to help people to bring their passion to life, and one more thing is like to help the people who wants to follow their passion. And one more thing is like to simply put down my thoughts. These are the things. So I'm coming to the queries that I received before starting the webinar. So Kritika sent me, like, I can talk about how to know yourself as a major factor in finding your passion, and also avoiding procrastination. So when it comes to knowing yourself, you can know you better only when you think and you start doing something on your free will, and finding what you are good at. Like people say meditation is something which helps you to know yourself better. And when it comes to me, I'm not someone who can meditate easily, and for me it's like a challenge. So and I started knowing about myself better when I started writing. So you can find some passion, which it's very tough nowadays to live your passion, to live yourself with your passion. True. So that thing will like when it comes to finding your passion, there is only one thing that you have to do: find your friend and tell them what you want to do, like different things that are on your mind, and ask your friend to know the reason why you want to do that, why you want to do that. Personal branding means what is your brand. See, I will come to the questions later. Right now I'm going with the questions that I raised before the webinar. So like you you pick your best friend and you will tell them what you want to do, and you have and they have to find why you want to do that. So your friend will be asking you what you want to do in your life. So you will be coming up with one reason, one thing that you want to do. They will be asking why. Even after five whys, like even if you come up with five reasons, then it means like you will be going to your core. If you are able to give answer for the five whys, then you can go with that. You may ask me like, what if there are more than one? Even if it is like two or three, you can start focusing on them. When it comes to me, I am focusing on content writing as well as regarding mindset as well. And one more thing is network marketing. So if I'm doing that, even you can do that. And second thing is like how to be self-dependent other than job. When it comes to being self-dependent, you have to think out of the box, and so you have to think out of the box, and you have to figure out you have to look about only the possibilities, and you have to start giving your best, and you have to start focusing on building the required skill and adding value in the society. That is how you can create a source, and with time you can become self-dependent, and that is when you can focus on what you love. Nitish, I will definitely come to your question. uh, and also there is one more question, like Ankita asked, like how to avoid procrastination. To be frank, there is no medicine for procrastination unless you want to come out of it. And you can come out of procrastination only when you have a very strong purpose. And Nitish, you got a very valid question, like how to get success in business even in this pandemic situation. I have a question for you. For example, let's say you got started with one operating system, like for PCs, or maybe for, yeah, we can consider PCs. Can you become successful if it is operating systems? Why? Yeah, you said no. uh, why do you think you can't become successful? I will tell you the reason. Because for the success of any business, because so many factors come into consideration, yeah, out of those factors, few or like, for the success of any business, right time, right place, and right business is very important. Like when it comes to business, the only thing that you have to do is solve a problem that is existing. Like if you take the operating system, there are very big players. So if you start with that, you have to compete with them. And I came across one video of Vivek Bindra, which titled like 21 business ideas uh, which can be successful in 20 in this pandemic situation. One of them is like renting out the table, chair, like to facilitate the people who are working from home. So like in every adversity, there will be a problem. Like in every adversity, there will be a problem to which you can give the solution. So our only aim is to see like with the skills we have, which problem we can solve. And after that, have to figure out the ways, like how you can pursue it, like building the skills which help you to solve the problem. And with it, you can start building a source. And when it is the right time, like you understand, when you're making enough money, then you can bring that to life. And you may ask me, like, what if my passion is not something which you can monetize? Then you need to find a way through which you can make passive money. And after that, because of the strong cash flows, you can simply pursue your passions. Like I read in one of the books of Robert Kiyosaki, his cousin is very much interested in spirituality. So she simply built the assets, and they started generating the required cash flows. Then she went to the spirituality thing. So one more question that I got is like how to overcome your inferiority and follow your passion to achieve more. The problem that we have is we feel our problems are unique. We feel our life is unique. And basically what we have to do is like we when it comes to, if you have a passion, like if you want to be a writer, then you need to find the writers who are successful, and you need to know their stories. Basically when it comes to me, there is one book which inspired me a lot, which is called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I was like, my life, like I took many different decisions, completely different, completely contrasting decisions. And I even was in very tough situations as well. Whenever I remember that story, it keeps me like going, like not give up on what I started. So when it comes to overcoming your inferiority, the only thing you have to do is like to have an idol whom you can follow and whom you can replicate. And one more question I got is like a productive and fruitful way of following your passion, or what steps should be taken so that our passion helps us in more than one way. See, every time we can't focus on something where like passion helps you. If you want more than one way, when it comes to having different like creating different sources, you have to find different problems that you can solve with the skills that you have. And one question I got is like present industry and the opportunities that we have. If you when it comes to that, I have one thing to tell. Like if this pandemic, if this pandemic happened before 10 years or 5 years, it would take like at least 10 years for India to recover. Because of the digital advancements and everything, we have countless opportunities right now. Like when I was in 10th class or even 8th class, I can't imagine myself to have a very strong following base. But I came across one girl who is at the age of 18, sorry, 16. She has like more than 10,000 following. And there is a champ in the webinar. He's, I think, 16 or 17 years old. And he's doing very good in digital marketing field. He's Watson. Hi, Watson. Can you come and talk a few words?
Well, yes, I could do.
Yeah. Could you share a short story about you?
Well, I'm Watson from Chennai. I run a blog called Focons, which you can check out at focons.in. So I write about motivation and money making ideas using online methods because I love them, and I also do personal finance blogs. I love books and I read books, and also digital marketing in online ways.
Awesome. And he's also Watson. Are you done or like speaking even more?
No, Binay, done.
Yeah. He's also focused on like stock market investing and that stuff. See, when I was at Watson, can you share your age as well?
Well, it's 13.
13. See, guys, at the age of 13, he's doing all these things. It is because of the resources that are available. And few days, I think yesterday, or day before yesterday, I came across one thing. It is not because of like not the lack of resources is the problem for your success. It is not being resourceful. And I will tell you one thing. Like I mentioned, I will share one secret when it comes to the success. We think, yeah, one thing is mindset, and one more thing is like we think we lack the skills when it comes to pursuing different things. We lack this skill or that skill. But success is the contribution of skills for the success is only 5%. And the remaining 95% is consistency, persistence. These are the things. Uh, and one thing, like one person asked me, when it comes to becoming successful, we should have support from the family. But if we don't have support from the family, what to do in that case? So, like when it comes to the family, the parents, the reason why they oppose us when we want to do something new, it is because they don't have the confidence that you can become successful. Yes, it may be tough when it comes to convincing them. So at the time, the only thing that you have to do is like either make them give them confidence by working with the resources that you have. For example, let's say you started a company and you went to an investor to fund in your business. If you simply go to the investor saying, this is your idea, are they going to invest in your idea? I won't respond for this question. Only then I will continue. You have a wonderful idea to work on and you want some investment to get started with that. And you went to the investor and you pitched your idea. Are they going to invest in your business? Exactly, they won't be investing in you because you have to give them the reasons why it will become successful. Bro, one second. Sound కొంచెం తగ్గివ్వు. So when you give them The reason, when you make them understand that this can become successful, then they will invest in your business. You can give the confidence when you work on that with the limited resources that you have. So in the same way, even when it comes to making your parents support you, you have to do with the limited resources. You have to follow your passion with the limited resources that you have, and you have to give them the confidence that you can become successful. Then definitely they will support you. And also when it comes to following your passions, this is not easy thing. It will have a lot of struggles as well. So when you can weigh the pros and cons. Exactly, communicating in the right way with the investor can get success, but at the end of the day, they will see the if it can become successful practically or not. And also they want to know your capability. They will understand that only when they see what you can do, that you can show. Only when you do something with the resources that you have, you can say that with these resources I did this thing. If you get the funding, you can do even better. Same thing works even when it comes to making the family to support you. And one more thing I noticed is in my life, when it comes to the family, no one supported me except my mom. But I found true friends who supported me. Like even when it comes to school friends or college friends, there are very few who supported me. But I'm very active in networking. In that process, I came across different people who helped me in my journey. In that way, if you're missing something from one source, you will definitely get something else, which will help you to follow your passion. True. When you show the profit, investor will be interested, and everything will happen only when you are optimistic. And universe has crazy ways of turning our aspirations into reality. These are the things. And do you have any more questions? Nitesh, Watson, Jairam, do you have any more questions? Guys, sorry for the inconvenience. We planned this to be something else, but because of different technical issues, the output is something else. So definitely make something better the next time, and will add much value for the time that you give. And thank you for staying till then. I thank Ankita, Fatima, Jairam, Sarangi, Nabi. Nabi is my school friend, and Nitesh, Watson, for staying till the end. Even though there are technical issues, and even though it's not so good, thank you for staying till the end. And have a great day. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.